Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can connect your account to Middle East to Saudi Arabia on tool4seller app. So just open the tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option on the bottom right corner. We can see the me option right there. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So here we can see the marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option. So here we can see the manage marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option, and here we can see the add more options on the top right corner. So just tap on the add more options. So after tapping on the add more options, here we can see the Middle East option on the we can see the Middle East option Amazon Saudi Arabia. Just tap on the choose the Middle East right here. The Saudi Arabia, just choosing that, just tap on the next option. So after that, just give your email or phone number right here, and after that just tap on the continue option for the sign in. So this is how we're gonna connect your account to Middle East on Saudi Arabia on tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.